little dancers. Today we're playing freeze dance. When I say dance, we dance and have fun. When I say freeze, we freeze like a statue. Ready? Let's dance and freeze together! Dance, dance, dance. Keep dancing, friends. And freeze. Hold that pose, don't move. Let's give jumping a go. So leap and bounce, let's go! Don't move! Let's raise our hands and jump along with our favorite fruits. First is apple. Let's jump with apple with our hand up in the air. Here comes banana and grapes. Let's all jump together. And freeze. Hold that pose, don't move. Let's dance again for one last time. Our little song ends here. Thank you for dancing, my dear friends. Subscribe for more such fun videos. Until we meet with joy and ease, keep on dancing and freezing, just like these. Bye.